Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm currently sitting at Unsamani Dam in the Kruger National Park. I'll be staying in the Kruger for 3 nights, with 1 night being here at Tambuti Tented Camp, 1 night at Crocodile Bridge, and then my last night at Skukuza. On my way to Unsamani Dam, I've already had some incredible sightings. One being 2 male lions sleeping under a tree, and then the other that was really interesting were there were lots of, I presume, flying ants or some sort of insect in the grass, and all the swallows were coming down and eating them, and there was a tawny eagle catching them too. I'm just on my way back to camp now, and these male lions are still here, and they're sitting up, which is quite nice because they were lying down earlier. And yo, they've got enormous manes. Some of the biggest manes I have ever seen in my life, I think. Yeah, I can only see the one at the moment, but I'll move forward just now. sitting at Swaney Dam, just south of Satara. I left Tambuti at 4:30 this morning and forgot to hand my key in, so had to go to Auckland and hand it in at the box there. And then I drove along the road. Well, sounds like some parrots. I drove along the road to Satara, and I wasn't seeing much. I saw the only real nice thing I saw was some Senegal plover, which are quite common in that area, but not in the rest of the park. And then, yeah, there was just nothing. And then all of a sudden, I go over this hill and I see a car stopped there, and I picked up my binoculars to have a look and see what they were looking at. And I thought it was hyenas, but then I drove closer and it was a pack of 13 wild dog just lying on the side of the road. Then yeah, I sat with them for about 20 to 30 minutes. And yeah, I eventually had to leave. For those of you who don't know, wild dog normally, they're there for, if you see them, you'll see them for 5 minutes normally maximum, and then they're off. But yeah, so I was incredibly lucky to see wild dogs sitting there for over half an hour, and they were still there when I left. So yeah, it has been a fantastic start to the morning, and now I just have to pick up a bit of pace as I'm heading to Skukuza to meet up with the rest of my family for birding big day. Yeah, let's see what I see on that road. I slowly made my way down to Skukuza, stopping at Orpen Dam, Liu Pan, and the Lake Panic bird hide. Over the next 2 days, I had many more fantastic sightings, including 3 very disruptive lion sightings on Birding Big Day. Despite the abundant presence of lions, we managed to see 182 birds in 24 hours. On our last day, we left Skukuza and made our way to Malalaan Gate. But the Kruger was not done with us yet. This was most certainly my best trip to the Kruger, and I'm going to leave you with some of my best photos from it. Until next time, goodbye.